Fun fact, did you know that other people can see your Google searches? My name's Gabriel, and I am a Google Advertising Strategist. And when we run campaigns for our clients, we see what people are searching to better tailor their campaign to get the best results. So I thought we could play a little game. This is called WIILD Google Searches, DIY. Shall we begin? All right, number 1, DIY rhinoplasty. Not suggested, but you could pick up a sport. Maybe it'll happen to you. Yeah. Number 2, DIY liposuction, also known as surgical fat removal. Very much not suggested to do at home, but if you want a cool alternative, cool sculpting, or a medicated weight loss prescription. Number 3, DIY boob job. We're just gonna move on from that one. Last but not least, DIY Botox injections. I actually don't know how you'd be able to do that, but just don't. And if you want another solution, I would buy a silk pillowcase, show zero emotion on your face at all times, buy a nice retinol for your nighttime routine. And thanks for joining me on our first WIILD Google searches of many. Bye.